In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include pages in your sitemap using HubSpot. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned user looking to ensure your website's SEO is top-notch, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, let's begin by navigating to the user guide within HubSpot. You'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look for the user guide link. Typically, you'll find this in the main menu of the HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to an essential resource where you'll learn everything you need to know about using HubSpot. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these guides as they offer a wealth of information. Now, once you're in the user guide, the next thing you need to do is click on Settings. You'll usually find this icon towards the upper right corner of your screen. It's represented by a gear or cog symbol. Clicking on Settings will take you into the back-end area where all configurations related to your account are managed. This step is crucial as it opens up the area where you'll be making the necessary adjustments for your sitemap. With the settings open, your next step is to click on Content. You'll see content listed among various other options. This is the section dedicated to managing all the content that goes into your site. By selecting Content, you signal that you want to make changes or view options related to the information displayed on your website. Once you've entered the Content section, look for Domains and URLs. Clicking on this option will direct you to the settings related to your website's domain names and URLs. This area is critical because a well-structured domain and URL setup can significantly impact your website's SEO performance. Finally, your last step is to select Sitemap. Under the Domains and URLs settings, find the Sitemap option. Sitemaps play an essential role in SEO by helping search engines crawl your site more effectively. They provide a structured layout of your website's pages, improving how they're indexed by search engines. This step is where you'll include specific pages, ensuring they're part of your sitemap. Taking this step helps search engines understand the structure and priority of your content. By following these steps, starting at navigating to the user guide, making your way through the settings, accessing the content area, and ultimately updating your sitemap, you'll set yourself up for better website performance and improved search rankings. Remember, managing your sitemap is not just a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that reflects the evolving content and structure of your website. So keep this guide handy as you continue to refine and optimize your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your HubSpot experience.